Uh-oh. Let me turn it around. Where's my...
It's right there, the third thing.
Hello. I hope everybody's enjoying their holiday break. We are here at Magic Hair Company, and as you can see, the ladies are styling these wigs. So we want you to tell us whose style is the best. Wig A to the left. Is this the left? And wig B to the right. Which curls do you like? And... Oh, did I do it? Yeah. Okay, and they're both being styled with two different techniques. Over here, we are using a flat iron. I don't know where my finger is.
Magic Hair Company flat iron.
Available on our website and is currently on sale. We have two different sizes, the small size and the big size. And over here, we are using a curl wand. So two different techniques to style these beautiful, luxurious, perfect black girl blonde wigs. Don't be afraid to try blondes, especially different kinds of blondes. Get a wig from Magic Hair Company. You can try every kind of blonde you want. We do custom coloring here in store. We have the best human hair glueless lace wigs, perfect for any and every occasion. Just throw it on and you're ready to go. And we are currently having a sale in store and online. 20% off. Shop with us. Ask us questions. We will gladly assist you.
And this is the last sale of the year, right?
Yes, last sale of the year. And I don't know when I'm having another sale, so buy your wigs now.
Especially if you want to have a nice holiday wig so your Christmas pictures can look nice. A nice New Year's wig. Take advantage of the sale, y'all.
Yep, and we'll style it for you. So you don't have to make another stop or style your wig once you take it home. You will leave here with a styled wig. You can have it curled. We'll straighten it for you. We'll add layers to it for you.
And styling is included.
Yep. So you don't want to be that friend or family member that people are talking about and say, ooh, she need to upgrade her wig, or ooh, she make too much money, or is too fly and got that cheap hair in her head. Cheap people wear cheap hair. So if you know better, you do better. A lot of people don't wear quality hair because they don't know where to find it. You know where to find quality hair because you know where Magic Hair Company is. I have been noticing that though. A lot of people who can have better quality hair just don't because they don't know where to find it.
No.
And they're tired of wasting money buying hair online and getting surprise hair. Don't waste your money with surprise hair. Come here in store in our Culver City store where you can shop and try on our different wigs. You can see what looks best on you. We have different textures, we have different lengths, we have different colors, and we do custom coloring right here in store so we can find the perfect look for you. And you can leave with 1, 2, or 3 wigs, however many you select. But we definitely have quality hair, and that's why we're able to have a store that you can come into and look, feel, and see the hair quality.
So I'm just parting it, y'all, so I can get a clear and clean part. Can I see your hot comb?
Mm-hmm. What kind of hot comb are you using?
The Magic Hair Company hot comb. The Magic Hair Company hot comb that heats up really fast. It's reliable.
And it's 20% off.
It
It's included
is.
in our current sale.
And we have only a couple left in stock. So if you really wanted one, it's the time to get it because there's only a handful in stock right now. What's your favorite wig?
I like my long blonde when it has the two pieces in the front.
Okay.
And I didn't like that one for a long time at first, but I like how it looks in pictures.
Okay. Do you have a favorite texture yet, Denise, that you like?
Body wave.
The body wave.
Yeah, body wave looks nice.
Body
That's my
wave.
second favorite favorite wig because it's easy. You just throw it on, and then I can decide if I want to define the waves or not.
Mine is a toss-up. It depends on what I'm doing, but if I go with bundled hair, I'll say a kinky curly, like a kinky hair texture. The kinky straight, I love the kinky straight clip-ins. If you guys are ever looking for something really, really, really natural and quick, easy, the kinky straight clip-ins is the way to go. It looks natural all the time. I get so many compliments when I'm wearing the clip-ins. I don't know, I have the clip-ins for like 2 years now, and nothing has changed about them from the first day I got them. So I really like the clip-ins. Uh-oh, here you come. You're coming. Are you done Christmas shopping, Janice? Or did you Christmas shop?
Me?
Yeah.
No. No. Well, I got my parents some stuff from Washington Blvd, and that was it. That was it. No, not this year.
Do you cook, Denise? Do you cook?
A little bit.
What do you make?
Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. I'm making crabs.
Okay. You better than me.
Do you cook, Tatiana?
I can cook. You know, I surprise myself. I really surprise myself, but I'm very like, I cook. Oh, this is gonna sound so bad. I be cooking and then I be scared to eat it.
That's how I be.
Because I don't want to get how if it's nasty? Or I'll get myself sick. I don't want to get myself sick. Oh, Tatiana.
Why do you think you get yourself sick? Like salmonella or what?
No, I just, like chicken, I don't know how to, you can just, I'm gonna unplug it. I don't know how to, okay, that sounds nasty. I just don't know if the chicken is done. So, I'm not gonna eat it if I don't know if it's done, and I don't like chicken on the bone anyway. So, I ain't gonna risk nothing. So, I'm not gonna get myself sick, so I don't eat it. But I'll feed my sisters.
Wait, so you cook it, don't eat it, and then feed it to your sister?
Yeah, I'll eat it. If I know, I made some I made gumbo, and it was amazing. And my dad, he's a really harsh food critic, and he told me that it was really good. The only thing is that I'm not supposed to put rice in gumbo, but I thought you're supposed to put rice in gumbo.
Not cook it together, but
Yeah.
you put rice in the bowl and then gumbo on top of the rice.
I cooked the rice in the gumbo. And he told me, because I seen it on TikTok, and he told me that's not the way you do it. So next time, that's the only thing I can change. And then he said it was a little salty, which I gotta work on too. But it was not bad. I ate that for days. So it wasn't. I don't eat leftovers, so it was not
I
bad.
think that's crazy. I love leftovers.
Do you eat
I
leftovers?
don't like leftovers.
You don't eat leftovers either?
Denise would eat leftovers
That's crazy.
she
And
would
then,
be gone for 2 days, and then she's like, I'm gonna eat my salad. Ew, the salad's been there for 3 days.
Well, I mean, yeah, I'll eat a salad for 3 days, but I'll be
I'm done. gotta finish the top though, but I'm done.
But like Thanksgiving or Christmas leftovers or any like home cooked food, like I'll definitely eat that for 4, maybe 5 days.
No way. There's no way. And then my parents, they throw away all the leftovers. Sounds bad
That's
too.
crazy.
After Thanksgiving, nothing's in the house. Like the day after, well, my mom doesn't throw it.
After all the seasons,
She gives it away. She gives it away to my grandma who lives in a nursing home, and she feeds it to, I don't know, people in the nursing home. I don't even know how she can get into my house, but she feeds it to other people. And yeah. So
Leftovers would be the best.
I'm done, everybody.
Should we comb it out? There's a couple pieces in there.
Look at Janice calling me out. There's a couple pieces. Let me get them, but I am done. I think you should do it because it's cute and you can do it because you know how to do the vinyl. And that lady was charging $270 or $250 for that. So you could do that.
I would still charge $250 for that.
Yeah, because it's your time. It's gonna take a lot of time. And then I was watching somebody do the thing, and you have to really peel all that stuff out. So the detail.
Why do you think I always make stuff for me and you?
I didn't know. I was watching.
Taking a shirt to these. What size do you want?
A large.
A large? Okay. Yeah.
I was watching somebody they were making stuff out the scraps that come out the machine, and she was showing how she peels everything. And I'm like, oh no, this is too time consuming. I don't have enough patience to sit here and then peel it and no.
Yeah, you gotta align it in the machine, and then after the machine presses it, then I have to peel it, then I have to align it on the shirt before I press it. So, yeah. That's why when I say I'm making shirts or something, it's really a labor of love. Because if I didn't want to do it, I wouldn't be doing it.
No, and your stuff be intricate. Yeah, your stuff be intricate. And you have like different colors. I'm not doing all that. Y'all gonna be one color, one block letter, nothing cursive.
And you still gotta peel all that though.
No cursive words. Even like, you know, like when some people get the shirt pressed, is that, you know, like when it still has like the stuff in the background, is that because they don't peel it off? Like, you know, sometimes it'd be
no,
like.
That's, so those don't have to be weeded out how I do. That's one printing. It's just printed off.
That's the one I'm gonna do. Just
but
one.
Then you have to get a whole separate printer and then put that type of ink in that printer, and that printer can only be used for that, which I want to do with the old printer, but yeah, I can't waste all my money on crafting.
But you should get a whatchamacallit, embroidery. That's probably expensive, embroidery sheet.
Those are like $3,000. I looked into it, but I would really have all the fly stuff. But then when do I have time to be embroidering and stuff?
When you get home.
No,
You
at
sit,
10 o'clock.
yeah, because you be up, so why
That
not?
is
Why not
my
embroider and then like put something like a show on and listen to it and embroider stuff?
I could do like a whole live, have a whole other social media.
Right, and then on your page, your crafting page.
Yeah.
So these are my curls. Denise is almost done. She's right behind me finishing up. These
I
are
like
some.
both of them.
They're both pretty.
Are you gonna try it on? You gonna switch your wig out?
No. My hair is like mad. My hair be crazy underneath these wigs. No, I'm not. But this is a really pretty wig. It's available here at Magic Hair Company. This one is a 20-inch. I don't have the wig number on this one just yet, but this, if you refer to this video, we're gonna know what you're talking about. This one is a 20-inch custom ash wig.
You can screenshot it if you really like the color.
Definitely a screenshot, and we're gonna know what you're talking about. This wig is available in store, and it can be shipped out immediately. When you place your order and you place it during the day, usually orders can go out the same day, if not the next business day. So if we have it in store. So if you are ever interested in we're showing anything or showcasing anything in store, and if we have it, it can get shipped out either same day or next day. So definitely make sure you purchase your wigs here with us. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.